soap opera. Some executions are horrible, others are wonderful, others are beautiful. The people are all a huge part of the draw. You have like celebrity executions. I mean, just famous people, tons of cosplay. It's a reality show. And getting into trouble, and then the public execution where their former popularity plays into the draw of the crowd later. I mean, if you love this person in this and that film, who you love to see the final performance, scaffold. Actually, uses some of these persons to try to make his case that it wasn't class that determined whether or not you had to be able to these people who died on the scaffold, because a lot of these women in society, for example, went to watch executions of people they knew well and enjoyed them. That's the story. Tiquette's execution in 1699. He says that spectators of every class crowded the streets between the prison and the execution ground in Paris. He says all the windows overlooking the scaffold had been rented out well in advance. He writes out a letter written by Neuer talking about the execution. He says, quote, "Despite having been personally acquainted with Madame Tiquette, de Neuer's account of the execution dwells far less on whatever emotion she might have experienced at the sight of watching her friend die than on the feelings of excitement she felt at watching the spectacle of the execution. At times, de Neuer compares Tiquette's performance, in quotation marks, to the experience of watching a dramatic production, recalling Rossette's blurring of the theatrical and the real in his particular brand of tragic realism." This is Madame de Neuer writing about watching her friend die. Quote, "I was in the windows of the Hotel de Ville and I saw poor Madame Tiquette arrive around 5 o'clock in the evening, dressed in white. One would have said that she had studied her role, because she kissed the chopping block and attended to all the other particulars as if they were simply a matter of performing in a play. In the end, one had never seen such self-possession, and the cure of St. Sulpice, and that she died a true heroine. The hangman was so moved that he missed her head, and had to repeat his job 5 times before he managed to behead her. Thus ended the beautiful Madame Tiquette, who was the ornament of all Paris." End quote. Again, it sounds like a soap opera. And Friedland noted it was only for